Starting out as a real estate investor is already overwhelming, from choosing a business model to making repairs and managing tenants to handling things like banking, rent collection, and bookkeeping. I did not want my first rental property to become another full-time job, so 6 months ago, I started using Baselane, a financial technology platform built specifically for real estate investors. Now that I've been using it consistently for 6 months, I want to share my honest review, the pros, the cons, and whether I think Baselane is worth using if you're starting or growing as a real estate investor. So first, let's talk about why I chose Baselane. When I transitioned from my first home into a rental property, I knew one thing for sure. I needed to separate my rental finances from my personal accounts. That's the number one thing to do with any business that you're starting, and I wanted this to be a successful, profitable business from the start. I looked at multiple tools for handling the banking side and the accounting side. Overall, those other tools, or even just using spreadsheets, felt really clunky, expensive, and too general. Baselane stood out among all the options because it combined both the business banking, bookkeeping, and rent collection all in one platform. That meant fewer tools for me to juggle every month and overall less stress for me. Now let's talk about what I love about Baselane after using it for the last 6 months. And we'll start with the pros because Baselane has a lot to love, especially as someone who is completely new to real estate and using this fintech option for the first time. So we'll start off with the interface because Baselane looks amazing. It's super clean, it's user-friendly. The interface is simple but very easy to navigate, which I love as a user and as someone that reviews software as a living. So I can log in from my laptop or my phone anywhere, and everything is right there in one dashboard, which makes it super nice and very good visually to see everything you need to know. Another huge pro is the built-in accounting. This is a game changer for me. Normally, bookkeeping piles up in my businesses, and then it feels like this nightmare that I either have to tackle before tax time or I have to pay for a bookkeeper to come in and do it for me. It's a problem. But with Baselane, every transaction can be tagged and categorized as it happens. So I'm doing my accounting as I go instead of leaving it for later because I don't have to log into a separate tool, categorize things over there, and then hop back to my banking. It's literally all in one place, and that has forced me to categorize things as I go, and that's been so amazing. Another huge pro for me is the sub-accounts because the sub-accounts at Baselane match my personal budgeting style perfectly. I've set up separate accounts for repairs, taxes, and the security deposit. So as a visual person, these buckets really keep me organized and show me what's funded already, what needs work, and where I need to put money that's coming in. Another huge pro is the rent collection because Baselane makes collecting rent super easy and fast. Tenants can pay online through ACH, debit, or even a credit card, which is kind of amazing. I'm actually not using this feature right this second because I did decide to use a property manager for the first year to get things going, but I love that Baselane has made it so easy and you don't have to chase checks, collect cash, or run things through Venmo. This is really appealing, and I will be using this feature next year now that I see how great it is and all of the perks that it provides. The final pro I want to talk about is the all-in-one convenience because the real key feature with Baselane is that you can do almost everything with it. Instead of those 6 to 9 different tools for rent collection and bookkeeping and banking, you can do everything in one place. So you don't have all those tools like spreadsheets, payment apps, separate bank logins. It's all in one place and very nicely visually laid out for you. It makes things very simple. Baselane has a lot of amazing features, but no tool is perfect, not even Baselane. So let's talk about some of the things that I did not like, and here's some of the things that I think you should know. Baselane is browser-based. There is not currently a mobile app. I personally like logging in from my laptop, but if you prefer an app-only banking situation, that might feel like a drawback. And it is very mobile friendly as I actually do use it, and I use Safari and log in on the browser plenty. And I have heard that they are working on a mobile app, but I do not know the timeline for that. And I do not know when that would be live. So as of right now making this video, they do not have a mobile app. So there are some drawbacks with that. Another thing to be on the lookout for is that some user reviews online had very mixed reviews about things like tenant screening and customer service. I haven't run into those issues myself personally, and neither have the majority majority of users since they do have a 4.6 overall rating on Trustpilot, but there are some one-star reviews. So you have to remember that everyone has a good experience until they don't. And if you have the one-star experience, then that is going to be very different than my review on Baselane. Finally, Baselane works best if you actually commit to using it for all of your rental finances. So you can set up all of the automations and eventually have it kind of run your rental finances on autopilot. So if you only plug in part of your accounts or you only use certain tools, kind of like what I'm doing, you don't actually get the full benefit. And I'm aware of that. And personally, there's a few sections that I'm not currently using, and I already see how it would be a little bit better and way more seamless if I actually did everything on the feature list to its fullest. But if you don't, that is kind of a con because it is built for you to use all of the features and do everything inside of Baselane. Those are a few of the pros and cons I've seen about Baselane and I've experienced myself. So let's talk about how I'm using it. And to give you a clear picture, here are the features that I'm actually using the most from Baselane in my day-to-day rental business. Number one is the sub-accounts for things like repairs and capital expenditures. Our rental cash flow is about $190 per month. So instead of spending that and treating it as profit and putting it right in my personal bank account, I've actually set up dedicated Baselane savings accounts just for repairs and other expenses. That way, when something breaks, which of course it will in the future, the money's already sitting there and it's ready to be used. I love the sub accounts at Baselane because it's visual, it's organized, and it keeps me disciplined about reinvesting money back into this property business. Right now, I'm just saving for repairs, but I will also start saving soon for my next property and hopefully be able to scale. The next feature I really love and use a lot is tagging transactions by property and category. So every Home Depot run, contractor payment, utility bill, whatever gets tagged directly to this rental inside of Baselane. It's very simple to do, but it means my bookkeeping is happening in real time. And that is so fantastic because by the time that tax season rolls around, everything is already organized by property and by category. And instead of me scrambling with a box of receipts, I will have a nice printout of all of my expenses ready to hand over to my accountant. The next thing I love is the cash flow dashboard. And this is one of my favorite features because it shows my net cash flow in real time. I can see exactly what's coming in through rent, what's going out for expenses, and whether or not I'm positive or negative for the month, which we've been negative for the beginning. So for someone just starting out, that kind of clarity is huge and it helps me know if the property is truly working financially or if I need to make changes in a certain area. The next thing I'm using is the high yield savings accounts because Baselane does offer savings accounts with a market leading APY on balances held in those accounts. So I've set aside money for repairs, property taxes, and other items. And it's nice to know that while it's sitting there waiting to be used, it's also earning interest. Disclosure, interest rates are tiered, so you can earn up to a certain APY depending on your balance, and that will change based on how much you keep inside of Baselane. Those rates are also subject to change, so just be aware that it's not one rate forever. Another feature I'm constantly using is the bookkeeping that's tax ready because this is, like I said, a big one for me with the transaction tagging because I don't love bookkeeping at all. The great thing is that Baselane categories line up directly with Schedule E, so the IRS form you use for rental properties is basically built into Baselane. This means that every expense I tag is already organized for tax season, and when it's time to hand things off to my CPA, I can just download that profit and loss statement or a cash flow report straight from Baselane. Whatever they need, I can download the report, just hand it to them, and be done because it's already all done. How amazing is that? So after 6 months, do I recommend Baselane? For me, absolutely yes. It's saved me so much time on admin. It has kept my finances organized and it's helped me treat my rental property like the business it really is. So while I am still running at a loss for this property for the first year or two, I do know that I will at least be organized for my taxes and ready for one day when this property does actually become profitable. Baselane won't be the perfect fit for everyone, but for new and growing real estate investors, it's honestly one of the best options out there. It is the cleanest, most user-friendly business finance platform that I've seen specifically built for real estate investors. So if you want to give Baselane a try yourself, I will leave the link in the description. And if you use that, I will earn a commission as well at no cost to you. So thank you for supporting the channel. Next, jump over to this video so you can see Baselane in action and how to set up your account and get started on the right foot.